How to fix Meta AI option not showing on WhatsApp in your iPhone. For that, first of all, check if your WhatsApp application is up to date or not. Once you make sure that your WhatsApp application is up to date, then launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now simply hit on the setting gear icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down there you will see help option, simply tap on it. Now, here you will see this option, among them choose help center. Now scroll down to the last, there you will see contact support option, tap on it. Now here briefly describe that you want to fix Meta AI option not showing on your WhatsApp application, or you want to enable your Meta AI in your WhatsApp. Then WhatsApp team will help you out within the 24 hours. In this way, you can fix this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.